Hello students, chapter 7 cubes and cube roots. What is the cubes? When a natural number multiplied by itself in 3 times, then we will get a cube number. So, when we factorize a cube number, each number comes in 3 times. So now let's start exercise 7.1. Question number 1. Which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? Here given some numbers, we identify which numbers are not perfect cubes. So number 1, question 1. 216. We take prime factorization of 216 from prime factorization. Then 216. This is the even number because in unit place here 6 comes. So divided by 2, 2 ones are 2 zeros are 2 eights are 2 fives are 2 fours are 2 twos are 2 sevens are. Now it becomes odd number, so we divided it by 3. 3 nines are 3 threes are 3 ones are. The factorization is complete when we have number 1. 1 is the factor of all numbers. So here we write 216 equal to, in the form of factors, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times 2, and 3 into 3 into 3, 3 times 3. Here we see each factors comes 3 times. So 216 is a perfect cube number. Here each factor comes in 3 times. So it is perfect cube number. Clearly here each factor comes 3 times. Therefore 216 is a perfect cube number. Okay? Now, second number is 128. Again, from prime factorization of 128. It is even number. Therefore, we divided it by 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 6s are 12. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. The factorization complete. Now we write here 128 in factors form. 1, 2 comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 2 comes. Here we take 3 times 2, again 3 times 2, but 1, 2 is left here. Therefore, 128 128 is not perfect cube number. This is our answer, because 1 2 is left here. 2 3 times comes, 2 3 times comes, but 1 2 is left here. So 128 is not a perfect cube number. Okay, in perfect cube number, each factors comes in 3 times. Therefore, here 2 is left, 1 2 is left. Therefore, 120 is not a perfect cube number. Okay, thanks.